To add the Whiteboard feature in Avatar Studio, start by selecting the module you'd like to edit from the dashboard. Open an episode that includes an AI conversation, or create a new one. Scroll down to the Whiteboard section and enable it by ticking the Whiteboard option. Once enabled, you'll see a set of fields to configure how it works. In the What field, define what information should appear on the whiteboard during the conversation. For example, key insights, summaries, or action points. In the How field, specify how that information should be structured or displayed, such as bullet points, lists, or linked ideas. You can also use the Additional Information field to include any extra instructions that don't fit into those categories. Once you're done, click Save and preview your conversation. As the conversation progresses, the whiteboard will dynamically display AI-generated summaries and key points, helping highlight important moments in real time.